Welcome back to another episode of Finn on the Road. And in this episode, we're going to Barcelona from the south of France. So, the last few days we've kind of not really done a whole ton. We've relaxed, went to the beach once, and hung out in very windy Port Lucat. And it was a nice town, nice enough. There's a market occasionally. It definitely gives off more of a summer beach town vibe. So we're not here at the height of the season, so it wasn't that busy, which is on the one hand kind of nice because we had like the town kind of to ourselves. On the other hand, not so nice because everything was closed at really weird times. So that wasn't the best, but it's okay. So I didn't really film too much. I'm gonna show that right now. So we are in the south of France, and it is a beautiful evening outside right now, but what you can't see, what you can maybe hear, is how crazy windy it is out there. It is just insane. It was windy last night, windy all day today, and supposed to be windy all day tomorrow and Friday too. It may be windy, but at least we have a nice view from our little balcony here. Okay, so Jack and I are out getting dinner and saw this little seafood place, so I decided to get some oysters. We got oysters right here. I got 6 of them. En français, c'est les huîtres. So 6 oysters and a glass of wine for €9. I don't know. I figured that since we're in the south of France, by the coast, might as well get some seafood. So we'll do a little taste test real quick. First of all, just a little bit of lemon. Cheers. Very tasty. As per usual, I love oysters, so can't go wrong with that. Because I love seafood, I caved and I got les bulots as well. Sea snails. So I got 10 bulots for I think €5.50 for 10 of them. So yeah, this whole thing comes out to be I think like €14.50, €15 or something, which is not too bad for just a bunch of fresh seafood. Hopefully local. I really don't know if it's local or not, but it tastes good. So I can just get it to wiggle out. Let's have a taste. Very snaily and tasty. And then, yeah, we're heading to Barcelona. Have 4 more days until Jack very sadly leaves. Goodbye, Jack. Beat it. And then after that, on to the next adventure. So, yep, we're heading to Barcelona now. I'll see you when we get there. Made it to Spain and got our lunch, which is just bread. Can't complain. Well, I can. It had some jam, some peanut butter. Oh, that'd be good. But we do have pepper and salt, so it could be worse, I guess. We're in a little town called Portbou. We got about 2.5 hours till we get to Barcelona, so this will be our life for the next 2.5 hours. There's bread, salt, and pepper. And we made it, Barcelona, here we are. First views. Kind of nice to be back into a big city again. You know, I do like being out of big cities, but the good thing about places like this, always stuff to do. And always places to get some late night snacks if we want to. I think we're standing in a bike lane. Yeah, kind of bike lane / road, I don't know. So yeah, we're here, gonna head to the hostel and then go from there. And here we are, Generator Hostel. This place is actually kind of nice. It's a 6-bed suite here with a little bathroom. Shower is, okay, no, not there. Shower is right here. Looks pretty decent. Hey, that's actually kind of nice. Let's see. And water pressure is not that bad either. It's a pleasant surprise for hostels. And then we got the room here. Room is a little cramped, if I'm being honest. There's not much space to walk through here, but it's not too bad. Clean, comes with everything you need. Wi-Fi's fast, lots of outlets. little bit of a view down to the street. You can't really see through the blinds here, but it's not a bad place. So yeah, we're gonna just get settled in here, just relax a little bit, then go find something to eat, and that's kind of the plan. Not such a bad view from the top here. Okay, we're at a little tapas bar called La Pepita, and we got some tapas. I got a beer, we got steak tartare, anchovy, we have some duck coming out too. So this is the place. Hopefully it's good. Well, you know what? I'm gonna test it out right now. Let's see how it tastes. Cheers. That's pretty damn good. Unfortunately, we're here early and they don't serve hot tapas until 7, so we're just getting some cold stuff now, but maybe we'll come back or go to a different place tomorrow night, evening, for some hot tapas too. That'll be nice. Let's try anchovy on bread with sauce. Let's see. Also good. The sauce tastes like caramel. Huh. I don't know what it is, but it's good. And now we have marinated duck breast. Jack, do the honors and have a taste. Ah, crap. Okay, do the honors and have a taste. How's it taste?
Very good.
Very good. Anything else to add to that?
No.
Okay, let's see. It's ducky. Ready? That sauce kind of gives a like an Asian vibe to it. Tastes like soy sauce, maybe hoisin. There's chopped green onions on the top, radishes. I don't know what else, but that's good. Not too bad. So far, first impressions of Barcelona, go.
Very clean.
Yeah.
Very nice.
Nice, not too hot. It's maybe it's just the neighborhood that we're in right now. But it's a lot cleaner than Paris or Rome was, or even London. And it's nice. People are nice. We have the tapas. The tapas are really tasty. And yeah, now we're just gonna walk around, see what we can see for the next hour or two. It's like 6 o'clock. Grab some more food and churros, and then come back and call it a night. That's kind of the plan for the rest of the day. Since we were still hungry, we got empanadas. If I can take it out of here. Oh, it's hot. That's hot. Okay. I got one that was curry chicken, one that was spicy beef, and one that was diced beef. So they look pretty good. And this whole, so 3 of them and a drink, which turned out to be a beer. I didn't realize it was a beer. It's like this lemon drink, damn lemon, but apparently it's got beer in it too. So anyways, the whole thing was €8.50. So for 3 of these and one of those, so not too bad. This is spicy beef, and it tastes like spicy beef. Can't complain. Okay. I'm doing my best to hold this. Whoa! Okay, I'm doing my best to hold this GoPro between my legs here. Hopefully it doesn't fall. We got churros and we got hot chocolate, and the chocolate is hot and it's chocolatey and thick. It's not so much hot chocolate as
it's not hot chocolate to drink.
Yeah, it's more like a hot chocolate mix.
Chocolate dip.
Chocolate dip, but there's a lot of it, and I'm gonna be drinking it once I'm done. So let's have a bite. Oh, it's hot. Churros are crispy. The hot chocolate isn't too sweet, which is great. It's dark, it's rich, it's thick, it's tasty, it's fantastic. Get churros if you're in Barcelona. So it's really sad. Jack is leaving shortly. 4 more days and then he's gone. So this is our last destination.
Today, tomorrow, Wednesday.
Yeah.
And then
yeah, so still a few more days, but this is our last destination, traveling together. And he's going home, starting his big boy job.
I can't wait to go home.
Everyone give Jack a round of applause for his big boy job he's starting. It's very important, very proud of him, very happy for him. Just sad that he's leaving. But there's gonna be plenty more to come with just me, so be ready for that. There it is, first views of La Sagrada Familia. Here's a bit of a better view. Luckily I have a wide lens on this GoPro so I can get the whole thing in my shot. Well, we saw La Sagrada Familia, so now we're gonna keep walking. Down to the water next, I think.
An hour and a half walk.
Yeah, maybe. I think it's like an hour walk. We can do that. We have all day. So
We have all day. We won't go straight there. We'll stop along the way.
exactly. I'm gonna look up some spots and we'll see what we can see on the way there. And to the guy who commented, here's Jack putting on sunscreen. He's always making sure that I'm putting it on too. I only put a bit on my face, but I don't need it on my arms. Gotta get these babies tan somehow, right? So far, Jack and I are very impressed with Barcelona. The streets are clean. Like, traffic isn't that bad, honestly. I mean, it's a big city, so any big city you go to, you're gonna run into some traffic, but streets are clean, which is the most important thing. There's a lot of like really affordable food options too. Those empanadas we had last night were really tasty and pretty cheap. I also went out last night. I got a bit of footage of that, which I'll play right here probably. And I had a really good time, even on a Sunday night. Met up with a few other guys from this other hostel and had a great time. Went to the, oh, let's go over there. Went down to Barceloneta, had a few beers on the beach, went to a club, and on a Sunday night, that club was busy. And we left at like 4 in the morning. So this goes to show you can kind of do anything at any time here in Barcelona. So it's definitely a place I want to come back because we only have a few days. We want to see as much as we can, but there's a lot to do in this city, I think. Now we're coming to the Arc de Triomphe. Slightly different than from the Arc de Triomphe in Paris, but similar design because, believe it or not, it's also an arch. Anyways, this was built as kind of like the gateway to the Universal Exhibition in 1888, and it's here. And I think the Parc de la Ciutadella, I'm probably saying it wrong, is that way. And this is like, I guess, the gateway to that park and that part of the city. So it's beautiful. It looks really nice. I really like the red brick color. It really stands out against the sky and the trees and the buildings around here too. It is super nice. We're gonna head that way now. And here we have the Castel des Tres Dragons. Tres Dragons. I'm probably just butchering that pronunciation, but Three Dragon Castle. There it is, right there. Now that is a gorgeous fountain. Oh my gosh. An elephant over there.
An elephant, or I can't tell what that is.
Maybe a mammoth, we don't know yet. Getting some toxic waste vibes from this water. I'm sure that it's not as dirty as it looks, but it's
We're drinking water from the tap here, so hopefully it's...
yeah, hopefully this is not the tap water that we're just filling our water bottles up with. I don't think it is, otherwise our water bottles would look a lot greener. Even though that water is awfully green, it's looking mighty inviting on a hot day like this. Holy wow. That's not a picture? Okay, that's enough. Put it away. Put it away! Ah! That statue is Mammoth. I already said that off camera and had to repeat it. For the jokes, you know?
Just as bad the second time.
It was just as funny the second time. If you're not laughing at your own jokes, then who will? Probably no one, because I don't make funny jokes. And in the Parc de la Ciutadella, you will find the zoo, Barcelona Zoo. And just down there, I guess we could have just walked this way.
Yeah, we took a really long way around.
Yeah, but it was the scenic route. We saw that cool little fountain area, the Mammoth. Okay, we're at this place that a lady at the front desk of the hostel, she recommended it. It's called Jaika Tapas. So we're getting tapas for the second time. And we got a bunch of different stuff, which I'll showcase when it arrives. And this is a nice little place. And this came out a lot faster than we expected. We got Ramblas potatoes with the sauce. We got cod fritters. We got ham croquettes. Olives as well, which came out first. And I'm going to eat all of those because Jack doesn't like olives. But all this looks so good. And it is, it's quite hot. So once it cools down a bit, we'll get a little bit of a review going. All right, let's try these potatoes. Damn good potatoes. Some kind of spicy sauce. Got the ham croquette cod fritter. So I'll try these out. Real quick here.
The sauce is really good.
Oh, the sauce on that potato is really good, yeah. All right, cod fritter. It's fried, it's steamy. Oh my gosh, that's really good. A light fishy taste. It tastes like fish and chips, which is kind of what it is. It's just fried cod, but the inside isn't like a piece of cod. I imagine they ground it up somehow. I'm not Not exactly sure how, but that's really good. And then the ham croquette. Here it is. And it's oh crap. Some kind of ham mush on the inside. I don't know what it is. Let's see. It's really gooey. They're like gooey with like pieces of ham in it. Also very good. And here we have meat skewers with cheese.
Melted cheese.
With melted cheese and bread too. This is gonna be, it's a lot of food. I think maybe we ordered too much, but this is gonna be pretty cheap. This will be like less than 15 euros a piece, I think, total. So pretty good, pretty good. All right, let's see. It's good. I don't know what the meat is. What do you think? It tastes like some kind of spicy pork. I think that might be it. This place is a cool place. Come to Jaika Tapas in Barcelona. Pretty cheap, good vibes, nice bar. It's a cool place. After that amazing lunch of tapas, and it really was very tasty, we are both extremely full and feeling a little lethargic for the afternoon. But fear not, we're pressing on. We're walking to that mountain that's hidden by the trees, but it's like just over there. And we're gonna try and climb it, maybe. Or we're gonna, I mean, it's not really climb, we'll just take the path up, the steps. Then back to the hostel. I'm probably gonna call it early tonight because I did get in at 4:45 last night, so I'm pretty tired at the moment. So real nice view of the city up here. It would have been perfect over there. We get the port in too, but there's a restaurant that has the best view. And it's unfortunately closed right now, so you can't get in. But see, way over there in the distance, see if I can, right there, Sagrada Familia. And we're about a kilometer closer, kind of like over here-ish, I think. So we've walked quite a bit. We walked from there all the way to the port, and all the way up here, and now we're walking all the way back. And this is Las Ramblas, at least part of it. We kind of stumbled upon it without knowing that we'd be here, so we're gonna take this most of the way back. Got about another 40 minutes until we're back at the hostel, so woohoo! Yay for tired legs. So we went to a Japanese place because Jack wanted some Japanese food, so we got gyoza, a bao, and some ramen. And here's the ramen. We got it with chicken broth and pork, and there's mushrooms in there. A couple different kinds of mushrooms, egg, a little fish disc thingy, I don't know what it is. Seaweed, looks really good. Okay, I got shaved ice called kakigori. Mine has, there it is, pineapple and coconut syrup on it. And Jack has Japanese pancake. I forget what it's called. Doriyaki, that's it, yes. With
This one has dulce de leche.
Dulce de leche. Very tasty. This is so tasty. Oh, eat this, back to the house, go to bed, and then
Might get a churro after this.
might get a churro. Then back to the hostel, then go to bed, then up tomorrow and see what happens tomorrow. Hello from Morocco. I'm just getting around to editing this video now. So to finish it off, make sure to like, subscribe, hit the notification bell, all that stuff, comment. Love all the support. I'll see you all in the next one. Barcelona Part 2.